The 2023 Lincoln Corsair Grand Touring Grille features a sundown satin metallic foil with blue accents that give a warmer tone. Coupled with new, available wheel options that enhance personalization, the new Corsair boasts a sleek, modern exterior look. Corsair Grand Touring will be available with the 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid with a 266 combined horsepower rating. The intelligent all-wheel drive system allows for enhanced all-weather capabilities, optimizing efficiency by seamlessly switching between front and all-wheel drive, depending on road conditions. Drivers can further customize Corsair with Lincoln's signature drive modes: Normal, Excite, Slippery, and Conserve. Meanwhile, an enhanced interior places an emphasis on the brand's horizontal, signature design. The center stack screen grows to 13.2 inches and features Sync 4 technology and Lincoln Enhanced software updates. The driver's 12.3-inch LCD cluster will also come standard with the Lincoln Unique Constellation digital interface.